Hey there, how are you doing? So, this is kind of a brunchy, lunchy type thing, and we're going to have a Trader Joe's cauliflower crust pizza. Okay, but it doesn't end there. We are going to add to the cauliflower crust pizza some yummy sliced dry Italian salami, courtesy of Costco a couple weeks ago. Had it in the freezer. So I put a very heavy portion of this on the pizza. And I go all the way around. Then I'm gonna add, okay, there. And then I'm gonna add some, normally I don't do this, but I have some, and because we're living in the times that we're living in, I'm gonna just use it up before it goes bad. And it's mozzarella that's already done with some basil and olive oil. So I'm gonna put this on there and just kind of spread it out. I'm gonna put the whole thing on, because why save two pieces, right? It's gonna be extra cheesy. And then I'm gonna put some of the oil on here. Now this is a cauliflower crust pizza, already ready to roll, but I'm gonna doctor it up a little bit. Then, ooh, hang on one second. Oh, this is super cool. So Ranger Station, which is a fragrance, sells now wash your hands. And it is this awesome hand sanitizer. And I believe they still have them in stock. Ranger Station, ooh, and it smells so good. Yum. I wear their fragrance and I love it. So it was super good to be able to get that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of basil from the garden, chop up some basil. This I'm not gonna put on to bake. I'm gonna put it on when it comes out of the oven because I don't want it to get all like dark and crunchy and gross. Then I love hot chili peppers. Love. So we're gonna put some extra chilies because I think redheads like spicy food. I don't know. Rocky will tell me if she likes it, and Jonathan will tell me if he likes it. But I love spicy stuff, like super love. Okay. Then Gruyere, because it's not cheesy enough. Gonna add Gruyere cheese. Okie dokie. Don't forget to tune in to all of our peeps that are doing live music. Randy Driscoll today did a beautiful concert. Next week on Tuesday, she's featuring children, and her daughter Skylar, which is one of my favorite names on the planet Earth, by the way, will be performing with a bunch of other young kids. So that's next Tuesday. Johnny Tarr goes live. Lee goes live. A bunch of musicians go live all the time. So that's gonna go in the oven for like 11 minutes. And when it comes out, I have today 2 of Ethel's eggs. Now remember, Ethel hasn't been laying eggs on a regular basis, and she just started once we sprung forward. And so today I have 2 of her eggs. I'm gonna fry them up. And when the pizza's coming out, I'm going to put an egg on each side of the pizza for Philip and I to enjoy. So we're gonna have a little fried egg on top of the pizza, and that's what's for dinner. So hang in there, everybody, and just major props out there for all of our, restaurant people, all of our frontline doctors, nurses, staff. Everybody's doing an amazing job. Got to do our part, right? We got to stay in and stay physically distancing while staying socially connected, and do it virtually. All right? Have a great day. Happy Saturday.